Hi there, I'm Hunter from Brain-xyz. In this video I'm going to show you a quick demo of one of our products which we call Braifun. It's a natural language tool that can help researchers to brainstorm their ideas. It quickly can learn from data. So let's start by showing you the demo. First, we have to go to to our website, which is www.brainxyz.com. The current version is an alpha version. It's just we are just testing it with some of our close friends, so that we can get feedback from them and change the interface for the next final release. It's very small. The executable is very small. It's even less than 3 megabytes. So when you click on that, you can quickly download that to your computer. So once you download that, you will end up with a zip file, and when you unpack this zip file, you will end up with the executable. So you just double click on that, and the program opens. You can load text data. For example, let's load Tiny Shakespeare. Usually machine learning tools, the natural language tools, they test on this data at first. So once the data loaded, you can train on the data. As you can see, it trains very quickly. So this trained on the entire Tiny Shakespeare for one epoch. You can already generate text. You can edit. But let's train again. Let's train again for more than one epoch, so that we will get more accurate text. So I'm now training it for the second epoch. Let's train for a third epoch as well. The more you train it, the better quality text you get. However, if you train it a lot for more epochs, it can memorize the text. So I mean, if in an ideal world, we should have a lot of data. We should train on a lot of data, not such a small data. But this is just a proof of concept. So now you can generate text. You can even tell the program to link between two different words. So let's say love and book. I assume that Shakespeare have these two words in the text. So if you generate, it will generate for you sentences separated by these three dots, and these sentences have these two words, love and book, which you specified it here. So as if it links between these two words in the same way that Shakespeare would have done. And these texts are all generated by the AI. This will be very useful for researchers to brainstorm their ideas. They can give different words. For example, in an ideal world, we hope that if researchers give two different words like banana and COVID, this will give them some meaningful text, provided that they have trained this tool on a large corpus of data, and hopefully it will help researchers to brainstorm linking different words, different ideas with each other. Now I currently don't have large text data, but as a proof of concept, I trained on a small data set, a small medical data set. I found it on the internet, and after training it for several epochs, it gave me these sentences when I tried to tell the program to link between the word cancer and the word diabetes. Now I'm saying this is not perfect yet. This is just alpha version. It still can't model the long-term dependencies well, but we are getting there. So in the full version, we will fix that, and the program will be way more useful. But this is just the alpha version. We are putting it here just among some of our close friends, so that we can get the feedback on the user interface. We tend to think that the current natural language tools, deep learning is the state of the art, and deep learning has several different techniques. They came a long way from naive RNNs, which were not quite good. LSTMs, they were the state of the art in 2017. Now transformers are the state of the art. As you can probably know, GPT-3 is a product of transformer. Our Braifun is currently at the level of LSTMs. It uses an entirely novel algorithm, but it's way faster and more efficient than any of the deep learning tools that I am showing it here. And we are hoping that once we fix the long-term dependencies, Braifun will reach transformers or become even better. In this case, we can truly say that we have a breakthrough. I mean, if you think about it, current deep learning algorithms depend on backpropagation. Backpropagation have enjoyed so many years of fine-tuning from thousands of researchers. On the other hand, our new algorithm, which we call FUN, which is short for predictive Hebbian unified neurons, we have been working on it for 1 year, a couple of years. I mean, it's predictable that currently our algorithm is not on par with backpropagation, which enjoys fine-tuning forever. But we are getting there very fast. I mean, we tend to think that deep learning currently in a local maxima, that you can improve it algorithmatically. I mean, the improvement from deep learning currently comes from putting more hardware, more data. On the other hand, FUN algorithm is new, fresh, and there are so many ideas from us on how to improve this algorithm. And we are hoping that we are on a path that will take us into a better local maxima, or even a global maxima. So this was a quick demo of our product and one of our products. Thanks a lot.